In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on OneDrive. Managing your cloud storage efficiently is crucial to keeping your digital life organized, and freeing up space is a big part of that. OneDrive offers a simple way to organize, store, and, when necessary, remove files. So, whether your storage is nearing its capacity, or you just finished a project and want to tidy things up, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, let's open your browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. This is your starting point if you're accessing OneDrive via the web. Once you're on the home page, make sure to sign into your Microsoft account. It might seem obvious, but it's an essential step before you can make any changes to your files. Once you're signed in, you'll see your OneDrive home screen. Here, all your stored files and folders are displayed. Navigate through your storage to locate the file or files you wish to delete. Remember, you can reach specific files by browsing through folders or using the search bar for a quicker find, especially if your OneDrive is extensive. Now, once you've located the files or folders you intend to remove, select them. To do this, simply hover your mouse over the file or folder. You will notice a small circle appearing to the left. Click that circle to select your items. If you're looking to delete multiple files, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the circles of the files you want to remove. This allows you to select multiple files at once, making the process quick and efficient. With your files selected, look towards the top menu where you'll find an array of options. Click on the Delete icon, which is represented by a trash bin symbol. A prompt will pop up, asking for your confirmation. It's a simple safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Go ahead and confirm your intent to delete the selected files by clicking Yes. Now, if you're wondering where your files have gone, they aren't completely gone yet, they've just moved to the recycle bin. So, head over to the recycle bin in your OneDrive navigation pane. Here, you can review the deleted files, just in case you need any of them back, or if you're ready to clear them out entirely. To permanently remove files, select Empty Recycle Bin. Once you do this, the files are deleted for good, freeing up storage space on your OneDrive account. That's it, you've successfully deleted files from your OneDrive. Remember, maintaining an organized cloud storage system not only helps with space management but also ensures easier access to the files you need the most. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life efficiently.